Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Explore with Meg, your travel guide. If you're dreaming of exploring Tokyo, Thailand, or Europe in 2025, you're not alone. Travel has changed and being prepared is essential for a smooth trip. I've crafted the ultimate pre-travel checklist for 2025. 10 must-dos before you pack your bags. From new visa rules to digital safety, these tips will save you time, money, and stress. Ready to become the smartest traveler you know? Let's dive in. Before you even start dreaming about your destination, the very first thing you should do is check the entry requirements and visa rules for the country you plan to visit. This step is absolutely crucial, and it's where every successful trip begins. Every country has its own set of rules, and these can include needing a visa, proof of onward travel, or even specific vaccinations. Sometimes you might need to apply for a visa weeks or even months in advance, so don't leave this to the last minute. Entry requirements can change frequently, sometimes with little notice. That's why it's essential to rely on official government or embassy websites for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Don't trust random blogs or outdated forums. Always go straight to the source. For example, if you're planning to visit Europe in 2025 or beyond, you'll need to be aware of the new ETIAS system. This is a mandatory pre-travel authorization for many travelers, similar to the ESTA for the United States. It's not a visa, but you must apply online before your trip and get approved. And it's not just Europe. Many countries around the world have their own unique entry systems, forms, or e-visas. Some require you to upload documents, pay fees, or even schedule interviews. Missing a single step can mean being turned away at the airport. Imagine arriving at the airport, only to be denied boarding because you missed a crucial requirement. To avoid this stressful situation, dedicate at least 30 minutes to carefully reviewing official websites and double-checking what you need. A simple way to start is to Google country name entry requirements for your citizenship and bookmark the official government page. Make it a habit to check this page before you book your flight, and again about a week before you travel, in case anything has changed. Review your flight details, gather all necessary documents, and make sure everything matches the requirements listed online. This includes your passport's validity, visa approvals, and any supporting paperwork. Taking these steps ensures a smooth arrival and a successful border crossing. You'll breeze through immigration, confident that you've cleared the biggest hurdle, entry into your destination. Being informed is the foundation of smart travel. It's not just about avoiding problems, it's about starting your adventure with confidence and peace of mind. Think of this as your first act of travel, doing a bit of digital detective work to unlock the world. The more you know, the smoother your journey will be. Don't skip this step. Make a checklist, organize your documents, and double-check everything. This preparation is the backbone of your travel plans and will save you from last-minute stress. When you take the time to do your research, you'll feel more relaxed and ready for your trip. You'll know you've done everything possible to ensure a smooth journey. With all your bases covered, you can focus on enjoying your adventure, knowing you're fully prepared for whatever comes your way. Next, it's essential to thoroughly review the health and vaccination guidelines for your travel destination. This step is crucial in ensuring a safe and enjoyable journey. Health requirements are constantly evolving, so it's important to regularly check the World Health Organization or your country's health authority for the latest updates. This will help you stay informed about any new health advisories or vaccination requirements. Some countries have specific vaccination requirements, such as yellow fever, which are crucial for entry. Make sure to verify these requirements well in advance to avoid any last-minute surprises. Schedule a visit to your doctor at least a month before your trip to get any necessary shots. This will give your body enough time to build immunity and ensure you're protected during your travels. Don't forget to consider COVID-19 requirements, as some countries may still have specific entry protocols in place. Staying updated on these can prevent any travel disruptions. It's a good idea to digitize your health records and save them securely. This way, you can easily access them whenever needed, especially in case of emergencies. Pack a comprehensive first aid kit with all the essentials, and ensure you have enough prescription medication for the duration of your trip. This preparation can be a lifesaver in unexpected situations. Always keep your medications in your carry-on luggage, along with a copy of your prescription. This ensures you have access to them at all times, even if your checked luggage is delayed or lost. Being proactive about your health not only ensures you enjoy your trip but also gives you peace of mind. A healthy traveler is a happy traveler. Stay informed and prepared for any health-related surprises by regularly checking health alerts and using emergency health apps. This vigilance can make a significant difference in your travel experience. Remember, your health is as important as your itinerary. Prioritizing it ensures that you can fully enjoy every moment of your journey. Travel insurance is non-negotiable for 2025. Get comprehensive coverage for pandemics, climate disruptions, and cancellations. Insurance is as essential as your passport. A good policy covers trip cancellations and emergency medical expenses. Check for coverage on natural disasters and travel delays. Use comparison sites to find reputable plans with high medical coverage. Medical evacuation can be costly. Ensure it's covered. Insurance is your financial safety net and peace of mind. Invest in a solid policy before your trip. It's a small price for invaluable security. Scan and back up your travel documents. Losing your passport or wallet can derail your trip, but digital backups help. Scan your passport's main page and visa, if applicable. Store copies securely in the cloud and offline on your phone. Leave a physical copy with a trusted person at home. Redundancy is key for crucial documents. Do the same for your driver's license, credit cards, and travel insurance. Having copies speeds up recovery if things go wrong. This simple step can save you days of stress. Be prepared and organized for any document mishaps. Update your bank and payment options for smooth transactions abroad. Notify your bank of travel plans to avoid card freezes. Travel with multiple cards from different networks for flexibility. Choose cards with no foreign transaction fees to save money. Check your bank's international ATM fees and partnerships. Always have some local currency for small purchases. Know your card pins, especially in countries requiring chip and PIN. Practice using your PIN at home before you go. Being prepared with payment methods ensures a stress-free trip. Focus on enjoying your experience, not payment issues. Smart financial planning enhances your travel adventure. Download key offline apps to stay connected without Wi-Fi. Offline maps are essential for navigation without data. Use Google Maps or Maps.me to download areas you'll visit. Translation apps like Google Translate work offline with downloaded language packs. Save travel documents and confirmations offline on your phone. A currency converter app helps with budgeting and fair pricing. Update exchange rates before losing internet connection. Download entertainment for long journeys. Music, podcasts, movies. Offline resources make you independent and confident. Be ready for any connectivity challenges. These apps are your travel toolkit for a seamless experience. Stay self-sufficient and stress-free on your journey. Before you even start packing, take a moment to check the weather forecast for your destination. This simple step can make a huge difference in how comfortable and prepared you feel during your trip. Use a reliable weather app to get up-to-date information, and don't just look at the temperature, pay attention to rain chances, wind, and humidity too. With climate change making weather patterns more unpredictable than ever, it's important to be flexible and ready for anything. Sudden rain showers, unexpected heat waves, or chilly evenings can catch you off guard if you're not prepared. Check detailed forecasts about a week before your trip, and again the day before you leave. When it comes to packing, think in layers. Bring a t-shirt for warm days, a long-sleeve shirt for cooler moments, a cozy fleece for extra warmth, and a lightweight waterproof jacket to protect against rain or wind. Layering lets you adjust your outfit as the weather changes throughout the day. Consider the activities you'll be doing. Will you be walking a lot, hiking, or visiting museums? Pack comfortable walking shoes that you've already broken in so you can explore without worrying about sore feet. A scarf is a versatile accessory. It can keep you warm, dress up an outfit, or help you respect local customs at religious sites where covering up is required. Choose outfits that can mix and match easily, so you can create different looks without overpacking. Neutral colors and simple styles work best for versatility. Don't forget practical essentials like a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated, a power bank to keep your devices charged on the go, and a travel adapter if you're heading to a country with different outlets. A small, compact travel umbrella can be a lifesaver when sudden rain hits. It takes up little space but can save your day. Before you zip up your suitcase, lay out everything you plan to bring. Ask yourself if each item is truly necessary, and if it can serve more than one purpose. This helps you avoid overpacking and keeps your luggage organized. A well-packed suitcase not only saves space but also makes it easier to find what you need, reducing stress and making your travel experience smoother. By being prepared for unexpected weather changes, you'll be able to adapt quickly and stay comfortable, no matter what comes your way. Smart packing is the key to a comfortable, enjoyable trip. With the right preparation, you'll be ready for any adventure and able to focus on making great memories. Pre-arrange local transport to save money and stress. Book airport transfers in advance for a smooth arrival, research hotel shuttles or reputable transfer companies, explore public transport options for budget-friendly travel. Knowing your route empowers you to avoid scams. Pre-book day trips or intercity travel for savings. Dynamic pricing makes early booking cheaper. Pre-planning transport starts your trip calmly and saves money. Be a savvy traveler with organized transport plans. Secure your home and notify someone before you travel. Check locks, set security systems, and use light timers. Unplug electronics and manage your mail. Share your itinerary with a trusted person. Include flight details, hotel info, and general plans. This safety net lets you focus on your adventure. Informing a contact person provides peace of mind. You've ensured your home is safe and sound. Relax and immerse yourself in your travels. Enjoy your trip knowing everything is secure at home. Double-check your digital safety for secure travel. Public Wi-Fi is convenient but risky. Use a VPN for protection. A VPN encrypts your data, keeping it safe from hackers. Update your devices and use strong passwords with two-factor authentication. Back up your phone to avoid losing data. Be cautious with public computers and log out completely. These habits protect your digital life on the road. Ensure your private information stays private. Stay secure and enjoy your travels with peace of mind. There you have it, the 10 essential pre-travel steps for 2025. Preparation transforms your travel experience, allowing you to handle challenges with confidence. You're now equipped to be a smarter, safer traveler. The world is full of breathtaking experiences waiting for you. Don't let a lack of planning hold you back. Your future self will thank you for the peace of mind. Get ready to explore and make unforgettable memories. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips.